Welcome back to Home Sip. I am Nader and today I will be making some delicious basil highballs. Let's go! Before I start making the drinks, let me go through all the ingredients that I'm using today. So our base spirit is going to be Basil Gin, which is a simple basil infusion with gin. But you can easily switch out the spirit with tequila, rum or vodka. You can see how to make it in this video right over here. And as we are making highballs, we're gonna need some fillers. And today I have prepared some tonic water, ginger beer and soda water. As for the fresh ingredients, we're gonna use some limes, lemon and fresh ginger for the garnish and some more basil also for garnish. Let's start with a classic long drink or highball, which most of you have heard, and that is the gin tonic. For this, I'm gonna take a tall glass. And by the way, for today's drinks, there will be no shaking required. All of the drinks will be built straight into the glass, which is the easiest way, right? Easy and delicious. That's today's motto. So, first step, let's cut a lime in half and press it into our glass. Always freshly squeezed. But if you are hosting a party of more people, you can just pre-squeeze and keep it in a bottle and save you all of this juicing, so you can have more time for your guests. And now I'm gonna measure 50 mils or 1.5 ounces and a bit more of our beautiful green basil gin. Now let's fill up our glass with ice. Full with ice, it's always better, keeps the drink cold and keeps it longer alive. And now let's fill up the glass with tonic water, something around 120 mils. Nice. Look at this beautiful color. I'm gonna give it a slight stir with my spoon here. Maybe a quick test. Wow, nice. And now garnish it with some fresh basil leaves. If you don't have basil at home, it's fine. Just serve it like this. Zack. And maybe a dried fruit. Just to give it more of a look. Zack. And there you have it. Basil gin and tonic. Let's go with the next one. The second drink is a Basil and Ginger Collins. So basically it's made the same way as the gin and tonic, but instead of tonic, we're gonna use spicy ginger. So again, we're gonna use the other half of the lime. Measure 50 mils of our beautiful pesto looking like gin. Again, ice to the top. And now fill it up with some spicy ginger. It looks the same way as a gin tonic as well. But it has a nice spicy kick to it. So it's a bit spicier and less bitter. And as for the garnish, let's go with some fresh ginger and basil leaves. If you slap it, you're gonna release some more aroma of the basil. Releases out those essential oils. There you go. Oof, it looks nice. Damn. Okay, cheers. The third drink for this video is going to be a basil and honey Collins. Earlier, I forgot to display the honey that I prepared, which is right over here. This is basically 2 parts honey with 1 part water. We add water because then it's easier to mix up in a drink. If you want to see how I make it, just check out this video right over here. And let's start by building the ingredients into our glass. We're gonna start again with 60 mils of basil gin. Yeah, this time 60 because the basil needs to come through the honey and the lemon. And then 20 mils of our honey syrup. Matches pretty well, basil and honey. Now, this time lemon. Around 30 mils, And before we add the soda, let's add some ice first. And now top off with some soda water or sparkling water. And once again, a spoon to help mix up all of the ingredients. Just like going up and down, this. And now more fresh basil. I like to place it on top so that the nice aroma from the basil comes into the nose. And let's go for a dried lemon. Like this. And there you have it, a basil and honey Collins. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and that you're gonna make those drinks. Also, if you'd like to see more episodes like this with easy and delicious cocktails, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Cheers!